Hello children, in this session we are going to learn about types of clocks based on working mechanism. There are two types of clocks. First one quartz clock, second one atomic clock. Let's see what is quartz clock. These clocks are activated by electronic oscillations which are controlled by a quartz crystal. The quartz crystal is nothing but it is made up of silicon and oxygen atoms. The frequency of vibrating crystal is very precious, so the quartz clock is more accurate than the mechanical clock. Accuracy of 1 second in every 10 power 9 seconds. Next one, atomic clock. These clocks are making use of periodic vibrations occurring within the atom. Accuracy of 1 second in every 10 power 13 seconds. Atomic clocks are used in GPS, Global Navigation System and International Time Distribution Service. This International Time Distribution Service is in Delhi. In this slide, we are going to see accuracy in measurements. Accuracy is very important while taking measurements to get a correct value. Measurement is the base of all experiments in science and technology. The value of every measurement contains some uncertainty. These uncertainties are called as errors. What is error? The difference between the real value and the observed value is called an error. Next, we are going to see accuracy. What is accuracy? Accuracy is the closeness of a measured value to the actual value or true value. Isn't it? Next, precision. Precision is the closeness of two or more measurements to each other. In this slide, we are going to see approximation. Approximation is the process of finding a number which is acceptably close to the exact value of a measurement of a physical quantity. It is an estimation of a number obtained by rounding off a number to its nearest value. For example, number of heartbeats per minute as 75 approximately. Number of heartbeats per minute vary from person to person. So it is approximately taken as 75 per minute. Let's see rounding off. Calculators are widely used in day-to-day life to do calculations. The result given by a calculator has too many digits. Hence, the result containing more digits should be rounded off. The technique of rounding off is used in many areas of physics. There are certain rules for rounding off. First one, decide which is the last digit to keep. Second one, leave it the same if the next digit is less than 5. Third one, increase it by 1 if the next digit is 5 or greater than 5. Refer the examples given below to get better understanding.